What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Gate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about how to sign up at BDO Pay. Mamaya kung wala pa kayong BDO Online Banking, i-share ko din sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up kapag wala pa kayong BDO Online Banking. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. At saka ito guys, since bago pa lang kayo sa BDO Pay, no? So I highly recommend na gamitin nyo tong referral code ko guys. Patunay na dito kayo galing sa akin para at least kapag na-approve yung application niyo or pag sign up niyo sa BDO Pay, magkakaroon kayo agad ng 50 pesos. Ganun yung kinagandahan guys. So nandito kayo sa vlog ko, no? So ayan yung referral code ko guys. Ilagay nyo yan kapag first timer nyo, of course, mag-sign up sa BDO Pay. So, kailangan nyo yan para magkaroon kayo ng 50 pesos. So, as you can see guys, here, to sign up for BDO Pay, download the app. Of course, kailangan nyo i-download. Log in using your existing BDO online banking details or register a new profile if you do not have account yet. So, as you can see guys, to sign up BDO Pay, download the app. So, of course, punta kayo sa Google Play Store kung naka-Android kayo, then App Store kung naka-iPhone naman kayo. Then hanapin ninyo or i-search ninyo yung BDO Pay. Then i-download ninyo, of course. Then log in using your existing BDO online banking details. So ano ibig sabihin na to guys? So kapag may savings account kayo sa BDO, nag-enroll kayo sa BDO Online, kasi dalawa to BDO Online at saka BDO Pay. So ngayon kapag may BDO Online banking na kayo, mabilis na lang kasi using your username, existing username at saka password, mabilis na lang yung process para makapag-sign up kayo sa BDO Pay. Mamaya kung wala pa kayong BDO online banking, i-share ko din sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up, no? Kasi ito ay introduction pa lang. Mamaya i-share ko din kung paano mag-sign up kapag wala pa kayong BDO online banking. Or register a new profile if you do not have an account yet. So, mamaya i-share ko din sa inyo kung paano kapag wala pa kayo sa BDO online. Then, if you have a BDO online account, so ganito yung gagawin nyo. Open the BDO Pay application after downloading it from the App Store, Google Play, or App Gallery. Kung naka-Huawei kayo. Kung naka-iPhone kayo, sa App Store, of course. Kung naka-Android, Google Play, then App Gallery kung naka-Huawei. Type your current BDO online username and password on the login screen. So, as you can see, ayan guys, yung login screen na sinasabi. Andyan, di ba nakikita nyo yan? Andyan yung username at saka password din, login. Then, type the OTP, one-time PIN sent via SMS to your mobile phone. So, ito guys, OTP or SMS, confidential ito, no? So, do not ever share it with anyone. This is highly, strictly confidential since ito ay OTP or one-time PIN. Ngayon, kung hindi ikaw yung nag-generate nito or nag-request tapos may dumating, make sure to call BDO Contact Center to report na naka-receive kayo ng OTP kahit hindi naman kayo nag-transaction. Pero kung nag-sign up kayo for BDO Pay at may dumating na OTP, then that's normal, of course. It's because kayo mismo yung gumawa. Then, create a 6-digit passcode to secure your app, then start using it. So, as you can see naman guys, gagawa kayo ng 6-digit PIN. As you can see, ayan, di ba? Dalawang beses nyo i-type or i-key in yung desired 6-digit PIN ninyo. Make sure na huwag nyong kakalimutan yan guys kasi yun na yung magiging login details ninyo or yun na yung magiging login password kumbaga kapag magsa-sign in na kayo kasi nag-sign up na kayo tapos pag nag-sign in kayo, yun na yung hahanapin para at least ma-access ninyo agad yung account. And of course, do not ever share it with anyone. It's because it's strictly highly confidential yung 6-digit PIN na yan. Kasi kapag nag-alam ng iba, maaari nilang ma-access of course. So, it must be keep it to yourself because that is strictly highly confidential. Then, if you do not have a BDO account yet, so ito naman kung wala pa kayong BDO savings account or BDO online, so ito naman yung dapat nyong gawin kapag wala pa kayong BDO online or BDO savings account. Open the BDO Pay app, then select Apply Now or Sign Up. To open a new BDO basic account, no maintaining balance required. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Para ito sa mga wala pang existing savings account at BDO online banking, username and password sa BDO online. So open yung BDO Pay app, then click niyo yung Apply Now or Sign Up, then kailangan nyo mag-open ng BDO basic account. No maintaining balance required naman ito siya guys, basta may valid ID lang kayo. Then next is complete the digital application form with your personal details. So of course, kapag inopen ninyo yon, kakailanganin yung first name ninyo, yung surname, at saka lahat-lahat. Dapat kung ano yung ilalagay nyo doon, dapat nagmamatch sa valid ID na meron kayo, of course. Kasi hindi ma-approve yung application ninyo, guys, para makapag-sign up kayo ng BDO Pay kung hindi nagmamatch sa valid ID ninyo, of course. Then, wait for your account approval, confirmation, then use your nominated username and password to log in. So, ito kasi guys, medyo siya, kumbaga baka malito kayo. So, itong basic account kasi is para ito sa BDO Pay lamang. Naka-tied up lang siya. Then, no maintaining balance siya. Okay naman siya kahit papano, but hindi siya tulad ng regular savings account sa BDO na talagang full force or kumbaga lahat ng features is nagagamit or maa-access. Ito kasi si BDO basic account, from the word itself, basic. So, hindi siya ganun ka kung ano yung performance ng regular savings account na ino-offer ni BDO, hindi po the same yung functions nila. Kaya naman guys, kapag wala pa kayong BDO online or BDO savings account, I highly recommend or suggest na pumunta kayo sa branch ni BDO, then ask them na gusto nyo ng savings account, then provide nyo lang yung initial deposit at saka kung ano yung purpose kung bakit mag-o-open kayo. Mga mababait naman guys yung mga taga BDO at mag-o-open naman sila, i-assist naman nila kayo. From as per experience, okay naman sila. Ganun yun. Basta yun, kailangan nyo lang talaga guys i-provide yung initial deposit at yung valid IDs kapag gusto nyo mag-open ng regular savings account. Then ngayon, kung malayo kayo sa branch mismo ng BDO, mag-basic account na lang muna kayo. At least magkaroon man lang kayo ng record sa BDO para if ever man na mapunta kayo sa malapit na branch, alam mo yun, then at least may record na kayo. Then take note lang guys na yung BDO Pay is naglalaman siya ng mga confidential details. Of course, yung username at saka password. Do not ever share it with anyone. It must be kept to yourself because that details are highly confidential. Again and again, inuulit ko lang. Kasi, alam mo naman, tsaka yung OTP, do not ever share it with anyone. Kapag may tumatawag, hinihingi yun, do not ever give it to them. Just end the call right away. Then sa BDO Pay naman guys, kapag nag-sign up kayo, much better guys, I suggest na mag-open na lang talaga kayo. Para at least smooth lang yung process kapag mag-sign up kayo sa BDO Pay. Kasi yung BDO Pay guys, kumbaga, pwede kayo mag-fund transfer, pwede kayo magbayad gamit yan, naiwan ninyo yung card or credit card ninyo, then basta dala ninyo yung cellphone, naka-online yung BDO Pay, then pwede kayo mag-scan to pay. Ganun yung feature niya. Kumbaga cashless pa rin naman siya. Then ngayon guys, kapag bago pa lang kayo, syempre magsa-sign up, so I have my code. Andito yung code ko guys, at least para magkaroon kayo ng 50 pesos na earnings kapag nag-sign up kayo ng BDO Pay kapag bago pa lang kayo. So, ito yung code ko guys, gamitin nyo as referral code. Then, para at least, pag nag-sign up kayo tapos na-approve, magkakaroon kayo ng 50 pesos na i-credit sa account ninyo. Ganun yung promo ni BDO Pay guys. Para at least, yun, pag open nyo pa lang, may 50 pesos agad kayo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Gate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!